How to permanently delete a YouTube account. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can permanently delete YouTube account. Well, to delete your YouTube account permanently, what you can do is first open up YouTube app and make sure that you're logged into your account that you wish to delete. Once you have done so, head over to U tab at the bottom right corner and you'll be able to head into the space. Tap on the Google account tab. Now you can also directly head into accounts.google.com and then log into the Google account that is associated with your YouTube account. Now once you're on this page here, you can see various options. Head into data and privacy option. Once you head into data and privacy option, you want to scroll down below. And scroll down further below until you find the option data from apps and services you use, and you can see content saved from Google services. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, a new page will pop up here and you'll get the option to download your data and delete a service. So you want to tap on delete a service, then it'll ask you for your account password for verification. Enter in your password here. Now here I'm having some error, but you can retry it if you're getting the error. And once you're there, it'll ask you for your password. Enter in your password and you'll be logged in. As you can see, then what you want to do is you want to select YouTube. Once you tap on YouTube, it'll prompt you to delete all your YouTube services. It'll show you that you'll lose all your account data permanently, even your subscribers or your subscriptions or your channel in whole. So you want to select delete and proceed to delete it through this page. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.